Power target trades, power trigger trade. Power Trigger Trades Andrew here, the big picture expert, just showing my website to people who have, who don't are not looking at looking at the website through a desktop or a laptop. They're using their mobile devices. Well, if you're using your mobile device, this is how it looks on a desktop. So, and anybody who's seeing it on a desktop gets to see it, me explaining it. And what this explains is success and happiness and power, unlike your traditional type of websites. Trading websites. This is, again, the star of the shows are my plan, and these are detailed plan. This is, for example, one of my detailed plan, large Apple 100% during very difficult times. You can check out this video. At the same time, you can test, there's the Tesla too. I made a lot of great plans in Tesla. And again, I have there's great information on here, videos to see. The place for 100 to 300% gains in options. This is a great place. And then, of course, if you get to this bottom of the page, you can subscribe here. All it is a visual thing right now. I'm still working on this, but I wanted to show, the look of my new website so far. A lot of work that I'm going to be doing still on it, but I wanted to show that, and also want people to, and again, a lot of great information on here, and it showcases, going to be showcasing a lot of my ideas. It's a very unique project that I'm working on. Let me show you something. So here I am on Power Trigger Trade. Confirmation is key. If you have a chance to get to vote on this on the website, look that you like it. 87 right now is getting a high. 87% to 13% to this other video thing I had. You can like it, make a comment. Also, if you want to become, if you want to see all my plans, you want to become a group, you want to become a member inside of Power Group Trades, and this video here explains everything. You could see here is going to be like a lot of I'm going to click over here. You see a lot of comments, right? You don't see anybody have all this type of you see all these comments and stuff like that. So you can see there's lots of comments, retweets, and likes. So you want to see this video, listen to the instructions in this video to become a follower or to become a member inside of Power Group Trades. And let me show you something else you want to do. So here I am on Power Target Trades, the place where I post a lot of great detailed plans, and there's a lot of great videos here as well. Of course, like my website has it displays videos nicer. There's a nicer look than what you can be seen on a YouTube channel. But you still want to subscribe to this YouTube channel because I do live streams, and there's a lot of documented videos here that I'm probably going to move a lot of stuff to the website, maybe a special page of a created playlist on the website as well, so you have a nicer look. And of course, to get to my website is there. Also, you want to make sure you're a follower of Power Trigger Trade on Twitter. And this is my website link. If you don't have a YouTube account, I suggest you get one. Subscribe to it. Again, I do live streams. If you have one already, I'm going to show you an easy way to subscribe. You're going to see basically a picture of me in a circle format inside the video. And also, I'm going to talk to you one-on-one. You're going to see that picture. Let's see what I say. Power Trigger Trade here with a great reminder. I always tell people, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. But also make sure to watch this created playlist. My created playlist, you'll find it at the bottom of the page of the YouTube channel. A wealth of great information, people. And if you don't have a YouTube account, I suggest you get one and subscribe manually. But if you have one, I'm going to show you easily to subscribe right inside this video. People, we've been making amazing, great, detailed plans. You want to study and also come to my live streams that I try to do mostly on Wednesday. And any other time I announce it. That's why you want to subscribe to, you want to follow me on Twitter, and you want to find out how to become a serious follower on Power Group Trades. But it's important. People, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. And at the end of the video, don't forget to like the video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video!